Skilled AI, an American startup that reached unicorn status before anyone ever heard of it, says it's wiring the nervous system for a robot-run future. Also, China's answer to Atlas by Boston Dynamics is officially available for purchase for a shockingly low price. A year after emerging from stealth and then maintaining near-total radio silence, the buzzy Pittsburgh-based Skilled is pulling back the curtain on its grand ambition: to build a single AI brain that controls any robot in any form for any task. As China floods its factories and streets with general-purpose machines and doles out state funding in the race toward superintelligence, Skilled is betting on its single, adaptable brain to ensure the U.S. stakes its claim as the global leader in artificial intelligence. Others aren't so sure, warning that the U.S. is falling behind the People's Republic due to its obsession with software and lack of serious hardware deployment. Skilled belongs to a growing array of buzzy startups to hit unicorn status before releasing or even announcing a product, like Mira Murati's Thinking Machines Lab, Fei Li's World Labs, and Physical Intelligence. It's easily raised previously unthinkable amounts, promising to reshape the next generation of AI with bold but untested ideas. Deepak Pathak and Abhinav Gupta left their jobs as professors at Carnegie Mellon in May 2023 to launch Skilled. At CMU, they studied artificial intelligence, robotics, and computer vision for a combined 25 years. They aim to build AI that lets robots of any shape do general-purpose tasks without special programming.
Think of how robotics hardware, it has existed for decades. But why are still the robots not out there? Until you have a brain, that hardware is almost useless.
The founders secretly recruited engineers from tech giants like Meta, NVIDIA, Tesla, and top robotics labs. When Skilled emerged from stealth in July 2024, it had just raised $300 million in Series A funding for a $1.5 billion valuation. Investors included Amazon, SoftBank, Lightspeed, and Sequoia. Despite the hype, the startup stayed under the radar, releasing minimal public information about what they're actually building. The public got a glimpse of their work earlier this summer when CBS News paid its lab a visit during President Trump's appearance at Carnegie for an AI summit. After teasing a big reveal, Skilled just unveiled its foundational AI model. Called Skilled Brain, it runs across a wide range of robots, including industrial arms and manipulators, quadrupeds, and, of course, humanoids. They're entering the public sphere with another $100 million in Series B funding, and a staggering valuation exceeding $4.5 billion. But there's also intense competition. The San Francisco-based startup Physical Intelligence is valued at more than $2 billion and has raised $400 million to build a master AI model that understands sensor and motion data. Another Silicon Valley unicorn, Figure, is developing its own AI model called LimX. Founder Brett Adcock says the vision language action model will accelerate the deployment of Figure's humanoids into the workforce and homes. The billionaire founder just shared this footage of a LimX-powered humanoid doing laundry at his home. He said the robot is acting completely autonomously. Meanwhile, the founder's brother, Colby, has launched Skild AI, which emerged from stealth earlier this year, having already secured 2 DoD contracts and $15 million in seed funding. It's developing an AI model for universal control of military robots. Other startups pushing their own visions for the future of embodied intelligence include Covariant, 1X Technologies, Sanctuary AI, and Dusty Robotics. Skilled says it's aiming for true generalization while its competition mostly focuses on narrower platforms or task-specific systems. The startup shared a video of a diverse set of robots demonstrating human-like capabilities like climbing stairs, maintaining balance when pushed, and manipulating objects in cluttered environments. According to Skilled, the tasks require advanced spatial reasoning and adaptability to real-world conditions. The legged robots in the footage appear to be from the Chinese companies Unitary Robotics and Fourier. This collaborative robot is from the Belgian firm Ferrino. Skilled says its so-called omni-bodied model is trained on huge amounts of data from simulations, internet videos, and real-world experiences. Instead of copying models for language or pictures, Skilled says it trains its system to truly understand actions so they know how things move and work in real life. According to Skilled, the AI brain is improving rapidly, already adapting to different form factors and new challenges. Not everyone's impressed. Benjamin Bolte, founder of the Palo Alto-based Skild Labs, predicted that Skilled's story would end in an acqui-hire, much like Microsoft's 2024 takeover of Inflection AI, where a lofty valuation led to a talent grab rather than a working product. The founder has been critical of the US tech scene for lacking factory experience and focusing on software over hardware. He said the US should adopt China's approach to building AI-powered hardware, which involves aggressive open sourcing, building an ecosystem, and making technical progress as quickly as possible. The Chinese government is treating humanoids as a core pillar of its national AI strategy, with firms like Agibot, UB Tech Robotics, and Shenzhen Dobot already reporting mass-producing its AI robots. Skild recently launched its first open-source humanoid robot, the Kbot, which is available to order starting at $11,000. Meanwhile, in China, LimX Dynamics just officially launched its flagship humanoid robot. The LimX Oli, known as the CL3 during its development, stands about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighs about 55 kilos, and boasts 31 degrees of freedom. LimX, which is known for its agile quadrupedal and biped robots, emphasizes the robot's modular design so it can be upgraded and adapted for future automations in places like warehouses and factories. It comes with optional grippers or dexterous hands for manipulation tasks. Its movements are controlled by LimX's self-developed VGM AI system. The robot is trained through reinforcement learning and can also watch internet videos to learn how to move and act more like a real person. LimX's Humanoid, which is widely considered China's answer to Atlas by Boston Dynamics, is available for pre-order starting around $22,000. For more on LimX's humanoids and other fake humans to watch out for in 2025, check the related video.